Welcome, friends, to this exciting and unique video. I hope you're all having a wonderful and inspiring day. Today, I'm going to reveal one of the most amazing secrets for using hot glue sticks in a way you've never imagined. Together, we'll make a strong, durable, and practical handle using an innovative method suitable for countless applications. As you can see, we have a completely damaged and broken knife handle. But instead of throwing it away, we'll bring this knife back to life and make a new, sturdy, and unique handle. First, let's remove all the remaining pieces from the broken handle. The materials are very simple and readily available. All we need are 6 hot glue sticks and a metal jar. Let's start by cutting the glue sticks into small pieces to make the melting process easier. Before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please support me by clicking the subscribe button now. The channel's content focuses on creative projects, crafts, inventions, reuse, and recycling. I hope you find these ideas and household hacks useful. Thank you so much for your contribution to the channel's growth. Tell me where you're watching from. I'd like to know your country so I can translate the videos into your language, making communication easier. I'm truly happy to be able to talk to all of you around the world. Let's get back to our project. Follow the video step by step to see this professional technique. You might need this technique to repair some equipment or seal any leaks using this new material we're preparing. Now, We'll need a homemade stove and an empty jar. We'll use alcohol to light the stove. We'll place the jar filled with cut glue sticks in it until they melt completely, becoming liquid and ready to be poured into the mold. Now that the glue is completely liquid, it's time to add the secret ingredient that gives it this exceptional strength and hardness. We'll add a tablespoon of baking soda and mix the mixture well until it's fully combined. The mixture is now ready to be poured into the mold. We'll leave it to cool and harden completely for about an hour, until it's solid. Look at this amazing result. We've created a fantastic, strong, and incredibly durable handle. The broken knife has been given back the life of a professional. Don't forget to share your opinions in the comments. And if you like the idea, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. And most importantly, turn on notifications because at Opon, this greatly contributes to the channel's growth. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful time. See you soon in the next video.